checking out Changsha. Goddamn, it's cool. Changsha got style. China got it, baby. Cha-cha Changsha. Checking out Changsha. Checking it all out. Checking, just checking. Checking out Changsha. Checking out Changsha, checking it all out. Checking, just checking. Checking out Changsha. Goddamn, and it's cool. Changsha got style. China got it, baby. Cha-cha Changsha. Checking out Changsha. Checking it all out. Checking, just checking. Checking out Changsha.
We're in Changsha. I'm gonna do one more video because we're in this nice little dense area with a lot of interesting stuff everywhere. So we're going to walk maybe down that way, downhill maybe. Yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do, but we're in this area with a ton of people everywhere. In all the different directions there's things, and for some reason they're letting the cars go down here, so they're like blocking this nice pedestrian street. Love these cars. But anyways, we're gonna probably walk away from the cars down that way. Changsha, China, up on the map, so you can see exactly where we are. And I have about 15 Changsha videos, and this is the last one that I'm putting up for my little trip in 2025. So if you want to see more, the thumbnail's at the end, and you can just keep following and seeing more and more of the city. So anyways, this is at nighttime, really beautiful at night. Let's get right into it, as if you're there yourself. Changsha, China, Hunan province. Yeah, all those cars. Okay, let's go down this way. So I think this will be the last Changsha video we're gonna do. Very photogenic city at times. These little spicy shrimps are, I ate them earlier, they taste so good. The spice here is tasty. The tourist shops, squid or yeah, actually I was walking around here in the daytime, so this would be a nice compliment if you watch some of my other videos. If you didn't, you can probably still catch them because I have them all in the thumbnails, so you can always go back. I have a ton of Changsha videos now, at least a dozen. And I usually just do what I'm doing right now. I'll just give you an idea of what it's like to be here, as if you were here yourself. That's the second time. Second time I walked by a policeman where they take a picture of me. Don't know if that's part of the policy to take pictures of foreigners when they, I don't know, who knows. Let's not get paranoid about that. Maybe they just haven't really seen many foreigners around. But I think YouTubers are quite popular, I think, in China. Foreign YouTubers showing off the country, showing what we like about it. So it feels quite welcome, so I think it's just a curiosity. Some really good YouTubers have been going through and okay, so it looks like we're going to come to an ending here. Let's see. Okay. So we're going to come out to kind of a ending street here in a moment. Okay, looks like we're going to come into something where we can go to the left, explore some more. So that actually worked out pretty well. I'm gonna look down this way first, and then we're gonna look down this way, and I think we're gonna be going down this way. There's the guy. Hello. So the guy doing YouTube or doing something. I think they do a different one in China, so they don't use YouTube. They're probably doing Redbook, probably, or some streaming series, streaming of some kind. Okay, so yeah, I think this would be the last video that I'll do for Changsha. But who knows? They end up doing more. There's a little food area.
长山一节，老先生的分享。2楼有粉有面，还有牛羊蒸菜，欢迎大家来2楼用餐。
More stuff down that alley straight ahead too.
长山一节，老家臭豆腐看一下，小笨蛋们都有。长沙市文化展览馆。 免费参观，为了解长沙文化故事，展示传统美。
It's funny they got a KFC mixed in with everything else here. So we are going to be coming up to the end of this little corridor. See some of the buildings. That's directly where the downtown is at. Okay. So we're going to be coming to an end as soon as I want to show you what the end looks like as well, so you get an idea that these are another food street area. Fly bar. So that would be the ending of it. Let me just see what this fly bar thing is. It says fly bar and pub. I think I walked by this last night. Oh, this is, I walked by this last night too. They have all these little shrimp things. And then I think this is this fly bar. It's like, I think later they have live music upstairs because I heard it upstairs last night. But I don't know exactly what it's all about because I could hear it up there, but there was two girls down below sitting there, so I don't know what that means. I don't know if they are working there and they're bored, or if they're, I don't know, who knows. Anyways, we are going to go out the front gate and then we're just going to show you what's around here, the camera, and then we're going to come to an end. And that'll be maybe one of our fewer. That guy's looking at me too. There's people with cameras everywhere, so it's not that I'm filming, it's because I'm a foreigner. Okay, so we are out here in the middle. Now we're out in the main space here. And we're gonna come to an ending. I love Changsha right there. Okay, so we're gonna end the video. 我闭上眼，我总是可以看见，痴心的诺言全部都会实现。我吻过你的脸，你已经不在我的身边。We're facing on the main street now, so we're gonna have a landing. I'm gonna come back to my hotel, and we're gonna turn off the camera. And that'll be, I think I have a nice set of videos already, so anything I'm gonna do now, I'll place it already done. So let's end it right there. Changsha.
China got it, baby. Cha cha cha.